So we are working on 2.1.7, simplify and recording work. Our focus problems are 2-63 through 2-66. And here we go. All right, on 2-63, CPM, please write this down. 2.1.7, simplifying and recording work. Our focus today is simplifying expressions and then comparing. The expressions. So for 2-63, we have on A, we have the left side and it's 3x minus 2 minus x plus 1. And then on the right hand side, we have a negative 5 plus 4x plus 4. Now, when we simplify, what are we doing? What are we doing when we simplify? I should see a lot of hands up right now, but I'll wait for everybody to stop writing. What do I mean when I simplify? Remember, we're on page 72. Lucas, what do we mean when we simplify?
When you simplify, you mean that you're trying to make it easier for yourself and for it to read. That's like the visual difference, but to simplify it is to make it easier.
Smaller. Smaller. So we're not having to deal with so many things. So let's do that, shall we? We're going to make each one smaller and then compare it. So the first one, we're actually going to distribute this negative. So I'm going to rewrite it. So we've got 3x minus 2 plus x plus 1. This one remains the same for now. So now what are we going to do? Randy, what are we going to do now? How are we going to make it smaller? Should we, number 1, add like terms? Yes, we should. Okay, so what are our like terms? Ms. Ramirez, give me a like term. Yes, 3x plus 1x is 4x. And so these are gone. What's the next thing? Jojo, what's the next one? What's the next thing we need? Perfect. Add negative 2 plus 1. So then negative 2 plus 1 equals what, Jojo? Good. Negative 1. Perfect. What about this one? Do we have any other x's, Jackson? And this side, on the right side, do we have any other x's? No. So I'm going to put 4x here. And then this one's gone. What are other like terms? Do we have other like terms? Perez. What are my other like terms? This side is done, Perez. We're looking at this one. Yes. And what do they add up to? Negative 1. Okay. And one of the things we didn't talk about yet is this. When we're comparing these, we want to use our fun little less than, greater than, and then equal to signs. Remember these little dudes? They're just like the little Pac-Man, or you can even say the crocodile guys. right? And then the equal to. Oops. What is this one? Okay. I'm still frozen. Yeah. Hold on. Hold on, people out in the back. There we go. Cool. Okay. So, what is this one? 4x minus 1 and 4x minus 1. What is that? What does that mean? Yes. What sign are we going to give it? Trank. What sign are we going to give it? Yes, good job. Equal sign it is. I hope you got this one down. All right, you ready for the next one? Did you write this down? Good. Let's go to B. So we have 2x squared minus 2x plus 6 minus 3x. Or we have negative 3 minus 2x squared plus 5 plus 2x. Okay. What is the first thing I'm going to need to do? Yeah, Prez. Yes, we're going to simplify, but what is happening with this? Lucas.
Is a negative and a negative?
Yeah, so we're going to distribute the... Yes, so we're going to distribute the negative so it becomes a positive. I'm going to rewrite. So I've got 2x squared minus 2x plus 6 plus 3x. What about this one? What do I need to do here? Yeah.
You also need to do the same thing you did to
yes. And then I will rewrite. So I have a negative 3 plus 2x squared plus 5 plus 2x. Okay. What am I going to do now? Yes. Good. So what am I going to put out in the front? I got the same 3 people answering questions. Gage, hi buddy. Which one am I going to put out first? What's the first term that I'm going to use first? Look at me. Look on the board. Where's my thing? Okay. Yes, Lucas.
So you have to add the
No. The first thing I'm going to write is 2x squared. So that one's gone. Now I'm going to do what, Lucas?
You're going to subtract 2x to 2x squared, sorry.
No. We're going to add or subtract the negative 2x plus 3. And so we're going to end up with a x. So these are gone. Any other like terms? No. We're just going to bring the 6 down, right? And that's the wrap on that one. All right, let's go to the next one. Who can tell me what needs to go first? Yeah, Andrew. Oh, good. We can do the negative 3 and 5, but can we put our negative 2 squared out first? Cool. Thank you. So negative or positive 2x squared. And then what else do we do after that? What's the next number that we just put out? It doesn't, there's no other like terms. Yes, you are absolutely right, sir. Good job. Now we're going to hit your 5 and your negative 3. And what do you get when you have positive 5 and a negative 3. Good man, plus 2. All right, so everything we have is here. Which one's bigger? What do you think is bigger? Think about it. What do you think is bigger? Is it going to be the 2x squared? Because we have both a 2x squared. We have an x, but we have a 6 and a 2. Which is going to be worth more? And tell me why. Prez.
I think it's going to be 2x squared plus 2x plus 2.
Okay.
Because it's 2x squared plus 2x, the other one we have 2x.
I get that. That's true. Yeah.
The reason why 2x squared plus 2x
Mm-hmm.
plus 2
Yeah.
is greater is because 1x has a bigger value than 6.
Okay. Anybody else? Lucas.
I agree with David because 2x plus 2x squared plus 2x plus 2 is bigger because 2x definitely has a bigger value than just 1.
Okay. So the answer is it cannot be determined because we don't know the value of x. All of your reasonings are absolutely wonderful, and I love you for it. Good job. Give yourself a round of applause. Big brain today. Good. So let's do C. Which is greater? So let's go to C. We've got negative 1 plus 6y minus 2 plus 4x minus 2y. Well, let's just deal with this first, and then we'll simplify the next one, shall we? What am I going to do first? Gaia. What's the first thing I'm going to do with this one? What are my like terms? Take your time.
6y and 2y.
Perfect. You guys, but I am going to move this 4y to the front, or 4x to the front, just to get rid of it. So that's gone. But Gaia, you were absolutely right. And what do I get? 6 minus 2 is what?
4.
Perfect. So 4y. Good. Gone. What's my next set of like terms? Logan.
Negative 2.
Mm-hmm.
Negative 2 plus 1.
Perfect. And what do I get? Perfect. Good. All right. So this is what the first one looks like. Okay. Let's do the next one. We've got x plus 5y minus 2 plus y plus 3x minus 6. All right. What's the first thing we need to do here to simplify this? Martha, what am I going to do here? Are you sure? Hey. Well, no, we need to do the D word, right? We need to distribute, right? So we need to distribute here and here, and then we'll rewrite. Cool? So I'm going to rewrite this. I'm going to say x plus 5y plus 2 minus y plus 3x minus 6. Now let's talk about our like terms. What's our first set of like terms? Desiree, you knew it was coming. Yeah, so what do we got? 5y minus y. 4y, good. We got rid of that, but what about our x's? What do we got? Prez. Perfect. So now we have 4x plus 4y. So these are gone. All right, we have one last one. Go ahead.
-4.
Good. Yes, because the 2 and the -6 go together, so it is a plus 4. Or excuse me, minus 4. So, which one do we think is greater? Prez. Yes, because it has the least amount of negatives. This is -3 and this is -4. Good. Questions? No questions? All right. Do you want to move on? Oh, okay. We're going to skip the algebra tiles. Okay. So let's look at this 265. It's given us this cool little, see how it's like, hold on, let me make this bigger. See how it's like showing the steps? So the first one is the original expression. Okay, great. What's the second thing that we're going to have to do with this one? Lucas?
You have to see which one is greater.
No. What are they doing? They're showing their work, but in showing their work, they're doing what? What do you have to do on this line right here?
You have to see which one is greater.
No. What are they do? Okay, so the second line is they're distributing the negative, right? Because we have this here and this here. So on number 2, we're distributing the negative. No, that's fine. I'm glad. All right, so let's take a look at number 3. Then what are they needing to do? You guys been doing this whole time. We're already simplifying the entire thing. Good job, Perez. We are adding or subtracting like terms. Okay. This one is actually focused on the like terms, and we're looking at the x's right now, the variables. 4 would be adding or subtracting like terms, but the constants, the numbers, the constants. Okay. And then they would compare, number 5, then they would compare their answer. Okay. Good. All right, we're going to stop.